No, 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 we're not taking pictures. Come back over here. No, no, Callie, come here. Stand over here. Come on. Stand there, and I'm gonna do it again. See, now, stand back where you were. No, 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 back here, back here. No, 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 don't throw that. We want to be quiet, so the fish will come. Put that down.
Where's the fish?
Drop it. All right, now hold this up here. There you go. Hold it up. Now put your finger back in there where it was. No, Callie, we just did this. Come on. This hand right here. There you go.
And this?
No, like this. Like that.
There's that to do.
Now reel in.
Now
And
this.
don't let the pole touch the water. Good job, Callie. Keep going. If you catch something, you're going right in the water. Reel in, reel in. Keep going. Good job, stop. Now put your thumb back there. Alright. No, no, hold it. Ready? Hang on to it, hang on to it again. Put your hand back, no. Right there. Eat it. Alright.
Oh, no.
Good job.
Is this kind?
Don't know.
Is that the fish?
No, that's a bird. Or a goose.
Or a goose.
Reel in, reel in. Reel. Don't let the pole touch the water. Don't let the pole touch the water. Reel in, reel in. Reel in. Reel in, Callie. Didn't look like there's any fish out. Good job, Callie. Say hi. Look. No, look at the camera. No, look up here. Say hi. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm catching a fish.
Yeah, you catching a fish?
That's just the handle.
Yeah. To hold the hand at the reel in. Alright, good. Good job. Say bye. No, to the camera. Say bye. Say bye.
I did.
Say it. Say it. Bye.